I'm going to be injecting in our future forecast. I'm going to show you guys why I'm going to be putting in about $50,000 to $100,000 more into my Coinbase and my Robinhood account within the next 5 days. Good morning, guys. What an amazing week. Our account is up in profit, $29,557 in the last week. The market is taking off, guys. Jake's going to come out with some videos, but I got to jack you up about this. Before I start this, I hope you guys are in our Telegram channel. If you're not, there's a link in the description. I'll pin it to the first comment. We just won 4 more trades this morning, guys. We won a 4% scalp on Atom. We won a 4% scalp on Sand. We won a 4% scalp on Litecoin. We won a 4% scalp on UNI. This brings us, guys, to the Black Friday sale. I'll talk to you about that in a second. This brings us to 87 wins and 0 losses, currently the highest recorded win rate ever recorded on YouTube for cryptocurrency. We scalp the markets over and over and over again. We keep this as a transparent spreadsheet to the public. You guys can view all this underneath our scalping trades. But 87 wins, 0 losses, 3 active trades pending, and we are going to be looking to call out more trades soon. Okay, let's get into the meat of this analysis. Jake's going to come out with some things today as well and share with you guys, but I wanted to do my own take on this. I believe one of the biggest short squeezes in the last decade is going to come into cryptocurrency. And because of this, I'm going to be injecting in our future forecast. I'm going to show you guys why I'm going to be putting in about $50,000 to $100,000 more into my Coinbase and my Robinhood account within the next 5 days. I'm going to come out with what's called a future forecast prediction tomorrow in our membership, and I want you guys to watch this. There's a lot of data that says the market is overextended. A lot of your altcoins are blasting up this morning. We're at a 93% chance of a drop, but listen to this stat real quick. You must have all of your indicators showing that they are due for a drop in the market in order to get the biggest short squeezes. And the biggest moves up in crypto will always happen when your indicators are showing you that there's the greatest likelihood of a drop coming. Short squeezes are what we're going to see in the market, guys. It is time for short squeezes. In fact, I'm hearing this online. I want to kind of put a myth to rest a little bit if I can here. People are saying that the altcoin season is going to be, you have to wait for the index to push to altcoin season. This is a blockchaincenter.net chart. And I'm not trying to bash them at all, so please hear the grace of my voice about this. This chart shows that the alt season happens, very simply put, when the black line reaches above a blue line up here, okay? I'm telling you guys right now, and I've been calling this in the future forecast, we are going to get a premature altcoin season, and it has already started. You guys take a look at some of the gains you're seeing on some of these coins over here, like Dogecoin. Let me just make this real big, and I want you guys to look at price action with me for a second. We've been accumulating on our membership all the way through this over here. And if you guys know this, we've been buying every single Tuesday. And this is why our account's doing so well. These coins, like look at XRP, guys, and everyone's saying, oh, you gotta wait for the altcoin season to come over before you get into the market. No, if you wait for this chart, again, blockchain center, I'm not trying to bash you, but if you guys wait for this chart, you are going to lose out on 50 to 100% plus gains in the market because it's already happening. Jake's going to show you a video today, and he's going to come out with a video here on YouTube where the dominance, okay, the money that is in Bitcoin is absolutely tanking right now. Dominance is falling, crashing on Bitcoin, and the money is moving into altcoins. I personally believe, guys, this is an alt season taking over prematurely. It's not the normal time for this to happen, but I think people are on the sidelines and they're saying, oh my gosh, Solana just ripped. Everybody got a taste of what their altcoins are going to do with Solana. Everybody knows Solana, guys. This thing absolutely ripped. And I'm showing this to you guys on the weekly time frame. Let me show you something real quick. This is what you guys should be prepared for. See what Solana did? I truly believe, personally, that this is what is going to happen to Cardano, where we're going to see this move, probably up here. We're going to see this on Algorand, where Algorand has not even budged yet. We're going to see Algorand come back up to this resistance. I don't think it's going to take too long for us to get there. This is going to be about 136%. Guys, Algorand is one of my kind of sleeper coins. You get back up to the all-time highs up here, you're looking at 2,000%. In fact, if this goes back up to the all-time high up here that it had, it will actually make more money for you than Bitcoin. Okay? Altcoins are very important to be invested into. What I'm going to do tomorrow in the future forecast is I'm going to show you guys some charts that we're not going to release here on YouTube. I am going to blow your mind why right now is literally the best time to be putting money into cryptocurrency. And I've said this to our members before, but I believe there's something happening where we're making lows. And people are looking at this and they're like, okay, no, that's not true, Travis. We're making a high, another higher high. Okay, I get it. This, I believe, could actually be a low of the market based off what's coming. Because we broke this resistance right here on this weekly candle, this pushed us into a different cycle. And I don't know if you guys understand what the cycle is looking like. So I'm going to show that to you guys in the description. Get a membership. I'm going to push this hard because I'm telling you guys, subscribe and watch what we're doing over here. Our account's up like almost $30,000 in the last week. We are only charging $59 and we will be upping our membership price. Let me say that again. Everybody who gets in at $59, you will be grandfathered in for life. We are going to up our membership price. We have the highest win rate ever recorded for scalping trades here on YouTube, as well as we have a challenge. We're going to $1 million profit or 400% profit in our account. Let me shift now to talk about the Black Friday sale real quick. When you guys become members, you get ridiculous discounts on our indicators. And before I leave, I'll show you guys the accuracy of predicting the tops with the top and bottom finder, which will blow your mind. If you guys are a member, you're gonna get $250 off. If you're not a member, you're gonna get $100. Remember, let's do simple math here. The membership is $59 a month. You'll get all of our scalping trade calls, the highest win rate ever recorded on YouTube. I will be with you personally and hold your hand as we go into this bull market with our $1 million account challenge. And then on top of that $59, we're going to give you guys $250 off our Pro Pack of indicators. And then that $59 unlocks another, on top of the $250, it's going to unlock another $350 off our top and bottom finder, okay? You pay $59 today for a membership, guys. You can follow me, and we're going to give you $600 off of our indicators. This is the biggest Black Friday sale we have ever ran. All right, if that doesn't jack you up, I don't know what does. Now watch this. The reason why I'm telling you guys get the top and bottom finder, and Jake will talk about the other indicators, but let me focus on this for a second, is because of the accuracy that we're going to be using this to call tops in the crypto market. I have data from Glassnode, Santiment, CryptoQuant, Whale-Map. I've got it all, guys. Like, I've been doing this since 2016 and teaching people on YouTube here. There is not another metric or on-chain data or indicator that has been able to call the peaks of crypto more accurately than what we call the Trade Confident, the TC top and bottom finder. This goes true for buy signals as well. If you guys look at the monthly, you can do your own research on this, but I'm telling you, I've already done this and I've shown this to our members. There is not a single on-chain data metric or an indicator that was able to predict the exact top month for Bitcoin in the last bull market, except the Trade Confident top and bottom finder. We are going to be using this, and I really hope you guys look to use this as well, because all the money that we're accumulating in the market right now, you're going to want to be looking for good exits. If you accumulate a lot, you make good money. What does it mean if you can't have good exits in the market? You guys pay for this indicator. I think it's going to be one of the greatest investments you guys make into crypto. You guys can set up alerts. I'll show this to you guys real quick, and then I'm going to end this video because I don't want to make this too long. Once you guys have the top and bottom finder, everyone come up here and click top and bottom finder. This is very simple. You can set up buy signals. That's fine. I want everybody to go to sell signals. Go to sell, go once per bar close, and go Bitcoin, sell. And then down here, go to Bitcoin, just type in Bitcoin sell signal, and then create this. I've already got this created, so I'm not going to do it again. Don't want a lot of alerts, but click create. Then after you're done with that, come up here, and I want you guys to go to strong sell, okay? I don't have strong sells turned on, but this is exactly how you're going to do it. You're going to come over here, and you're going to turn the shapes of purple on. These are strong sell signals and strong buy signals, okay? I want you guys to be focusing on sell signals, but if you guys get a strong sell and a sell at the same time, chances are the market's going to crash, all right? That was basically the top on that cycle when we moved up here. That's what we're watching for to exit, by the way. Come over here. You're going to go to Bitcoin. You're going to go to top and bottom finder. Go to strong sell, once per bar close. Go to Bitcoin, strong sell, right here. And then type in, make sure you go Bitcoin. Just makes it easier for you to remember that. Bitcoin strong sell signal. Create these two alerts. Guys, I'm telling you, this may sound weird. Take advantage of us on this Black Friday sale. The bull market is taking over. Once we broke this resistance right here, guys, the weekly candle broke this. Like I said, this pushed us into a new cycle. I'm going to show this to you guys tomorrow, and I'm going to show you guys charts you've never seen before that's going to show you guys why this bull market is about to explode. And if any moment we get an approval of a spot ETF, the top resistance is going to be broken right here, where a lot of people are going to look to go short, and we're going to short squeeze everybody to the upside. I have a target of $47,000 that we're looking to exit, and I will show you exactly why that is the spot you guys should be looking for, and I'll give you guys the data for that. God bless you guys. Have an amazing day. In the description, you guys can get links to the membership. Get the $59 a month membership that will give you guys the coupon codes, hundreds and hundreds of dollars off our indicators. Make sure you guys take advantage of that. Get a membership first, and you guys can access the coupon codes here. And I will see you guys tomorrow in the future forecast. I'm excited, guys. The market's coming alive. Let's do this together, and I'll see you guys later. Indicators, membership, link in the description. Bye, guys.